How to change cursor color on Windows 10 or Windows 11 in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Windows, this is the home page. Now go down here and search for mouse. Click on mouse settings and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is so simple, so please keep watching. Go here, click on adjust mouse and cursor size, and after you click on it, it will take you here. Now click here on this option. As you can see, now you can change the color of your cursor, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.